Hey, what's up, guys? It's Derek Collins with the Diverse Center. And if you want to learn how I made over $1 million teaching court mandated classes, sign up for my training at courtmandatedtraining.com or come to one of my live events. I have a live event in my office teaching people how to open their court mandated office to teach classes like anger management, substance abuse counseling, ASAM level 1 treatment, domestic violence, parenting, values clarification, MRT, and so much more. So if you want to learn how to teach court mandated classes and make more money, sign up for my training. You can reach me at 404-503-8069 and speak to one of my staff members, or you can just check us out, shoot us an email at info@thediversecenter.com, or just go to courtmandatedtraining.com and join our court mandated training Facebook group on Facebook. All right. So if you want to learn how to make more money or just money period teaching court mandated classes, sign up for my training right now.